The judge erred. And in fact, the ruling went beyond the scope of authority of the court.
Meaning like they're taking flight to the Supreme Court for your account.
Well, the team will discuss that. But what we know is that the law already gives us the authority to go on the remedial process when the judge has made a decision, especially on the issue of authority, that he has gone beyond his authority. The judge, the trial court, has no authority. And that is a standard established by the Honorable Supreme Court by years or horror with age, that whenever constitutional issues are squarely raised, no court of law has the authority to determine and pass unconstitutional arguments beside the full bench of the Supreme Court.
But, Councillor Johnson, you knew that whenever constitutional issues are raised, no court can pass judgment on it. In this case, you did not raise a constitutional issue. You petitioned the court. You wanted them out. You wanted them out of that courtroom and not to face trial. You did not go arguing on the constitutionality of the issue, or that you did not question the authority of the court when you file your petition. So how is it now that you are saying whenever constitutional issue arises, no, you should have made that case, in my belief, at the very onset of the trial. Instead, you said the court should not have these people tried. And you argue that they acted on the basis of authorization from a sitting president in a joint security operation. And as such, national security classified information was at risk. It turns out that the prosecution was able to convince the judge that neither the National Security Council nor the NSA, neither of those two had anything to do with the expenditure of such an amount. However, the Financial Intelligence Agency that was used did not have the constitutional authority, the legal authority, or even the grounds from the executive to be able to execute such a duty. Do you have any comments? If you do, let me know. Let me hear you.
No comment, gentlemen. No comment today. No comment.
The national debate is coming. These are the issues we will be talking about. You can join us every Monday through Thursday from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. on ELBC FM 99.9, or you can find us on Facebook, LNTV Liberia Live, or you can go to the World Wide Web, elbc.com. Thank you.